and send it to me.
Yes. Yeah. So this is Tenko, the top room at Asaba Ryokan. Asaba was fully renovated in 2021. I don't know that Tenko really needed to be, and I don't know that it did. But this is the top room. Wow, look at that. So you have the babbling brook. You have kind of a washistu style folding scroll, right? And then you can get meals served here. You have a little sitting area. I'll show the view later. And then coming over here is the bedroom. So it's very modern Japanese. It's not the traditional samurai style housing, but very smartly designed with modern Japanese comfort in mind. So you have a nice terrace with, look at that, the bamboo forest, babbling brook, little waterfall, nothing across the way, so you have full privacy. This does not have the view of the no stage, but you can see that from the lounge area, the main reception area. So unless there's a performance, this is probably about as tranquil of an experience. This Tenko does not share walls with any other room, so and no room above it. So you have privacy to the max. And then over here, you have an indoor shower and a bath. And then you have look at that, outdoor bath, free-flowing, straight from the source onsen. They call it Gensen Kakenagashi. And then, so this is all right there. Look at that. So yes, this is the Tokubetsu, the top room. It actually has its own separate entrance. At the end of the hallway, when you walk, they block it off so you cannot pass unless you're a guest at Tenko. So anyways, a different element of Asaba. At night, they light up the garden as well as the bamboo forest to create a pretty awesome atmospheric effect. There's 2 bathrooms. I'm not going to go into all detail because actually my sisters and her husband's going to stay here, so I want to let them relax in the room now. So anyways, just a little sneak peek of Tenko. Hope you enjoyed.